Hi, everyone. This is Alice Adelman from the Autodesk Construction Solutions Integration Solutions team. Today, I'm going to show you how we can upload PlanGrid files into Dropbox using Autodesk Construction Cloud Connect. So as you can see, we are inside ACC Connect right now, in a recipe that is designed to detect PlanGrid documents and push them to Dropbox. Inside of this recipe, we have a trigger, which in this case is detecting new or updated documents in PlanGrid. And as you can see, we've added some conditional logic to this trigger, where we've specified that we're only interested in non-deleted documents, so only new or modified files. When this logic is met and the trigger is fired, we want to kick off this sequence of actions. First, we need to configure the Dropbox folder path to which we plan to upload the PlanGrid documents into. Then, we'll configure the file name of the document to be uploaded to Dropbox. Then, we'll upload the contents of the file into Dropbox, into the folder path we previously configured, and we'll be naming the file with the file name we configured. I've also added some error handling to this recipe, in which the recipe will monitor the upload action for any errors, and in the event of a network error or interruption, the workflow will retry the upload 3 times. If any other type of error occurs, or if the re-upload still fails after 3 times, we will post the error message to the recipe output. Let's see how this recipe actually works in action. I'm going to go ahead and start the recipe. Once started, the recipe will then check for jobs, but of course, we haven't uploaded a new PlanGrid document yet, so nothing will be found. So let's go to PlanGrid. And as you can see, we are in a demo project here, so let's navigate to the document section. Inside of Documents, we can click into this Dropbox demo folder here and upload a new file. The upload is now complete, and I'll open the document so you can take a look at it. Now let's go over to Dropbox. And as you can see, we are inside this Dropbox demo folder here, and you can see that we have no files in this folder. So now let's go back to ACC Connect and see if we can check for new jobs. Now, once started, the recipe will continue to check for new jobs every 5 minutes without any required action from the user. And you can see that we are required to wait 4 more minutes until the recipe checks for the next job. But for the purposes of this demo, we can click Check Now to bypass this timer. Now you can see that it has found 1 job, which it is now processing. The processing is complete, so we can go back to Dropbox. And as you can see, there is the file that we just created. Keep in mind that this example is for Dropbox, but in a similar manner, we can work with a variety of cloud storage solutions, including Google Drive, SharePoint, Box, and many more.